Hey guys, Ackeem started here. So in this video, I want to do the unboxing and setup of this LED sign up control light. So this basically you can use it any area that you want, but I prefer used mostly in my car. So you can choose it to display any sign that you want. You can use it in your bedroom, in your house, just anywhere that you want it to use, guys. Just by unboxing it, so we can take out this piece right here. Inside, this is the LED light panel itself. So as you can see, guys, this is how it basically look, and I love the material of this one right here. Basically made from some bit of rubber material, feel kind of soft, like that silicone feeling, and it really long, as you can see right here. This is basically how it's look so far, guys. And right here we have the cable that we can use attach the power on it. Just gonna detach this for now. This basically can detach right here if we want it, and this is basically how it's looking. As you can see right here, cable, guys, we have an on switch, on and off switch right here. Right here we have a USB connection that can plug into your outlet. So in the back right here we also have this cigarette lighter port, which basically can use inside your car, which I mentioned earlier. If you want to use it in your car, this USB connection is there as well. So it's not limited to where you can use this, because this connection right here can also use in a car, which is really great. Also in the box right here we got this sticky mount that can basically use to place it anywhere on your glass inside your car. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to scan this code right here with my camera app, and to basically take me to the app to download this right here on the mobile phone. So depends on which device you're using. If you're using Android, you use this right here, Apple. I'm going to select the option right here that best suit me. So I'm going to get the app right here. Okay, guys, so the app here is finally downloaded. I'm going to open it right now. App looking something like this. Okay. So as you can see right here, I'm going to connect it to the Bluetooth. Okay, guys, I have finally installed this right here inside my room. Looking great inside. As you can see right there, Ackeem Sterling review. Looking great. And I basically love it right here inside my room. Love this great decor.